Welcome, entrepreneurs. Today's topic is a game changer in the world of e-commerce. Empower your e-commerce business with seamless payment processing. But before we get started, if you find value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Let's jump right in. The backbone of e-commerce, payment processing. At the heart of every victorious e-commerce journey lies a robust payment processing system. This system ensures secure and efficient fund transfers between customers and businesses, making sure transactions flow effortlessly. Whether you're a startup or an established entity, comprehending payment processing nuances is vital for sustained growth. Catering to high-risk transactions. For businesses in high-risk industries like adult entertainment, online gaming, or nutraceuticals, payment processing can be a real challenge. These businesses often struggle with reliable payment solutions due to their vulnerability to chargebacks and fraud. But fear not, embracing high-risk merchant processing can be a lifeline. By partnering with specialized payment processors, these businesses can access tailored solutions that reduce risks and provide a seamless checkout experience. Navigating the CBD landscape. The booming CBD industry presents its unique set of payment processing challenges. CBD products face strict regulations and varying legal statuses, making stable payment solutions hard to find. But with CBD merchant accounts and specialized payment gateways, e-commerce businesses in this niche can offer credit card payments for CBD products, ensuring compliance while offering convenience. Revitalizing credit repair services. Credit repair services benefit from optimized payment processing too. Customers seeking credit repair are eager to rebuild their financial profiles and improve credit scores. Offering secure payment processing and merchant accounts instills trust in clients, ensuring their financial information is handled discreetly. Seamless integration for e-commerce. E-commerce payment processing goes beyond credit card acceptance. It's about providing a holistic shopping experience. Integrating e-commerce gateways and merchant accounts lets you offer various payment methods, enhancing customer satisfaction. The power of merchant accounts. Merchant accounts play a crucial role, serving as intermediaries between your store and the payment processor. They ensure secure transactions and fund transfers. With a dedicated e-commerce merchant account, you have greater control and customization over payment processes. Optimizing payment gateways. Online payment gateways act as bridges between your website and payment processor, encrypting sensitive data. By optimizing your payment gateway, you reduce fraud risk and create a seamless checkout experience. Empowering your business with TouchSuite merchant processing services. For businesses aiming to elevate payment processing, TouchSuite merchant processing services offer a comprehensive solution. From credit card acceptance to high-risk transactions and optimizing payment processing, TouchSuite empowers e-commerce businesses to provide exceptional customer experiences. From credit repair to CBD products, TouchSuite understands industry challenges, offering tailored solutions for security, compliance, and customer satisfaction. Seamless payment processing is the foundation of a successful e-commerce business. By embracing the right strategies, you can set your business apart and foster growth. Solutions like merchant processing services build trust, optimize transactions, and position your e-commerce venture for long-term success. And there you have it. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. For all your payment needs, be sure to check out TouchSuite, your go-to payments provider. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time.